Hello, dear kids. A very good morning to all. Today, let's learn some GK. Do you remember what we learned in the previous class? Yes, in the previous class, we learned about places of worship. Let me ask, what are the festivals you are familiar with? Do you like festivals? Yes, we all like festivals. We celebrate many festivals with joy, fun, and togetherness. It brings joy and unity among people. We wear new clothes and greet each other. We go to our places of worship to thank God. We make sweets and special food and distribute it to our near and dear ones. Today, we are going to talk about this, and the name of the lesson is Celebrating Festivals. Let's look some festivals we celebrate. Okay. Number 1, Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. We light candles, diyas, and burst firecrackers. People decorate the houses, and we make sweets and gift to each other. Eid. It is celebrated by Muslims. On this day, Muslims break their month-long fast. And Eid moon is really beautiful. People go to mosque to pray. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. And it is celebrated all over the world. We decorate Christmas trees, sing Christmas carol. Jesus Christ was born on midnight of 24th December. And children wait for Santa and we enjoy the cakes. Guru Parv. It is celebrated as the birthday of Guru Nanak. Holi. It is a festival of colors and people celebrate Holi by playing with colors. Onam. Onam is celebrated in honor of King Mahabali. It is widely celebrated among Malayalis or Keralites. Pongal. It is celebrated to thank the god Sun. Durga Puja. It is celebrated to pay homage to goddess Durga. And it is widely celebrated in Bengal. And the last one, Hornbill. It is celebrated by the tribes to promote the culture of Nagaland. Okay? Let's revise one more time. What we learned? We learned different festivals. First one, Diwali. Spelling W-A-L-I, Diwali. Eid, I-D, Eid. Christmas, C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S, Christmas. Gurupurab, G-U-R-P-U-R-A-B, Gurupurab. Holi, H-O-L-I, Holi. Onam, O-N-A-M, Onam. Pongal, P-O-N-G-A-L, Pongal. Durga Puja, D-U-R-G-A-P-U-J-A, Durga Puja. Hornbill, H-O-R-N-B-I-L-L, Hornbill. Okay, this is all for today. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.